If you ask people how much do retainers cost, most of them will probably just say, expensive. In the past, this would have been true. However, the price of quality dental retainers have been driven down via new technologies. In reality, the price of a replacement retainer can vary hugely depending on the type of retainer and where the retainers are purchased from. At the moment, there are 3 different types of retainers available on the market. Each one comes with a different price tag. So let's first start off with Holly retainers. How much does a Holly retainer cost? This type of a retainer is commonly referred to as a wire retainer. They are made using metal wire and dental acrylic. They are an older model and are somewhat less common these days. However, they do have the advantage of being adjustable, so they may still be crafted in some cases. They can also be repaired in some cases if they've been damaged, unlike other retainer models, but the repairs will also come with a cost. SportingSmiles reached out to over 100 dental offices around the United States to get a grasp on pricing. These were the median range of retainer costs for both Holly retainers and Clear Essex retainers. For one Holly retainer, you're looking between $375 and $475. Next, let's look at the cost of a permanent fixed retainer. This type of retainer is a wire that is bonded on the back side of the teeth permanently to prevent the teeth from shifting. This is typically done on the lower teeth, but can also be done on the upper set in certain circumstances. This process has to be done by a dentist or orthodontist. If you're wondering what the cost of a permanent fixed retainer is, you're looking at between $350 and $400. The most common type of retainer today are clear retainers. They are the more modern of the 3 retainer types and therefore much more common. Clear retainers can vary massively in price depending on whether or not you decide to go through a dentist or cut out the middleman. Clear retainers will also vary in price depending on your location. Living in a big city, the price of your retainer will skyrocket compared to living in a rural area or smaller city. Some retainers went as high as $800 in the Manhattan area, and that's paying for the exact same retainer where others get it for far more affordable prices. When you choose to go direct to an online dental lab like SportingSmiles, you'll save hundreds of dollars because there are no dental fees, visits, new patient billing, or insurance costs. These are the exact same retainers your dentist would craft, but without the cost. So if you're looking for a new clear retainer, one retainer is going to cost you between $350 and $650 directly from the dentist. But if you're looking for a more affordable option for a clear retainer, SportingSmiles offers them at just $90. Clear retainers through your dentist include a price markup for the dentist's time and costs associated with making your mold. Because SportingSmiles uses a patented self-impression kit and you make your mold, we are able to offer the exact same high-quality Essex retainers at a fraction of the cost. Most of the removable retainer types are not made in the dentist's office, but rather off-site at a dental lab. These labs take an impression and turn them into a retainer. With the ability to take your own impression, there really is no reason to go through a dentist anymore to get your retainers. This can translate into massive savings, particularly if you often find yourself losing or breaking your retainer. From SportingSmiles, you're looking at a cost of $135. So you can get 2 retainers from SportingSmiles, where the dentist will charge you double that just for one. If you're interested in purchasing a set of retainers for a much more affordable cost, all you have to do is click the link below to shop at SportingSmiles.